Get rid of "something went wrong" error on your YouTube videos. Reopen the YouTube app. On devices with Face ID, swipe up from the middle bottom. On devices with the home button, double press it. Locate the YouTube app window and swipe up on it to close. Reopen the app and check if the problem is solved. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart your device. Restarting your iPhone or iPad can help clear any glitches and restore the device to its normal state. Shut down your device. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Check for YouTube updates. Press the App Store icon until a menu pops up. Select Updates. Scroll down and tap Update All, or locate the YouTube app and tap Update next to it. Reinstall YouTube. Press the YouTube app until a menu appears and tap Remove App. Select Delete App, and delete. Then, open the App Store and search for YouTube. Tap on the cloud with an arrow icon to reinstall the app. Reset your network connection. iPhone with Face ID, swipe from the top right corner. iPhone with the home button, swipe up from the bottom. Tap the airplane icon to enable the feature. Wait for a few seconds and turn it off. Allow background refresh and mobile data usage. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap YouTube. Turn on background app refresh and mobile data. Sign out and back into your account. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture at the top right. Tap on your account name and select Use YouTube Signed Out. After a few seconds, tap on the profile icon. Choose Sign In and enter your credentials. Turn off VPN. Open your device settings app. Next to VPN, toggle the switch to turn the feature off. Reset network settings. In the Settings app, go to General. Scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Reset your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to erase your device and set it up again. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.